Hello everyone, hope you are staying safe at home. My name is Tilak Sunil Zade. I am pursuing BCA Data Science in Ajinkya Diva Patil University, Pune. Today, I am here to present my project which is movie recommendation system using data analytics. Before starting project description, we should know what is data analytics. So, data analytics refers to the techniques to analyze data to enhance the productivity and business gain. So, let us see our idea. This was the basic concept and idea of the project. So let's see a live demonstration of our project. For a long time, I have been thinking about how shopping websites like Flipkart, Amazon or movie-based platforms like Netflix suggest anything based on user interest. But the things are actually very simple. They use the concept of recommendation system. So in this video, we will build a simple recommendation system using content-based. So a basic idea behind content-based recommendation system is to recommend an item based on a comparison between the content of the items and a user profile. In simple words, I may get a recommendation for a movie based on the description of other movies. So let's get started with this. This is the Python code which I am performing it in Visual Studio Code. It's a Python environment. So here is the dataset which consists over 46k movies in it. Here you can see this. Then as we have to build a web app, there are several pages like welcome page which I developed in HTML, then some like rating, and at last the recommendations we will get. So for this we have to just run this program. So here our program will start running. They will provide us a link here. So we will get directly to the web app. After clicking this, the browser will open like this. This is the user interface of my web app, which is a movie recommendation system. So here I mentioned the idea is that you rate several predefined genres based on your taste and then receive a recommendation list containing the movies that you will most probably like. And here I mentioned my name with the branch and university name. So we will just go ahead. So here we have to rate our preferences, like which genre we will like. We like to watch, like if you like action we will give it 5, if you like adventure less we can give it 1 as well. Then if you like animated movies we will rate it 5. Then there are several other genres as per preferences it will recommend. So if you like sci-fi we will give it 5, if you like romance genre we will give it 2. And after that we will just click on get recommendations and you will get recommendations. Here are the top 20 movies that you will most probably like. So this is the list. Thank you. As you have seen, my web application is perfectly working and it's giving an accurate and perfect recommendation to the users. So we need such recommendation system to the users to get their recommendations. Recommendation systems are the new technology which are most powerful in the industries to get additional values. As you have seen in my project, by just giving ratings, it is giving us recommendation by our preferences. At last, I just want to say this web application should go live as it is very useful for the user to get recommendation as per their preferences. So hope you all like my video. Thank you.